In the search for the best budget pistols, potential buyers are often faced with the challenge of balancing cost with quality, reliability, and performance. The market is flooded with options that cater to those who prioritize affordability without compromising on the essential features that make a firearm dependable for self-defense, recreational shooting, or competitive sports. Brands like Taurus, Ruger, and Smith & Wesson frequently emerge at the forefront, offering models that strike an impressive balance between cost-effectiveness and functionality. These pistols are designed to provide shooters with ergonomic comfort, accurate performance, and durable construction, all while maintaining a price point that is accessible to a wide range of firearm enthusiasts. So in order to help with the decision of selecting what is best for you, we have compiled a list of 7 best budget pistols that includes all the features important for you to know. You can also find a more detailed analysis and comparison tool on our website, validsurvival.com. Number 7. Ruger Security 380. The Ruger Security 380, designed with budget-conscious shooters in mind, combines affordability with functional capacity for self-defense, while prioritizing ease of use. With a lightweight design, including a black oxide steel barrel and a glass-filled nylon frame, the Security 380 offers durability and a comfortable balance. Notably, it features 6 lightning cuts in the slide to reduce weight, making it balanced and easy to handle. It stands out for its user-friendly operation, especially highlighted by its slide, which requires minimal strength to operate, a boon for shooters of all experience levels. This feature, coupled with low recoil, facilitates easy chambering of rounds and smooth follow-up shots, making the pistol ideal for newcomers or those with limited hand strength. The inclusion of 2 magazines, one with a capacity of 10 rounds and another holding 15, alongside a polymer magazine loader, enhances its appeal. Priced under $400, the Security 380 is positioned uniquely in the market for its concealability, control, and ease of use, particularly for those new to shooting. Number 6. Beretta APX Centurion. The Beretta APX Centurion, a mid-size semi-automatic pistol, evolves from the robust full-size APX duty pistol, featuring a striker-fired system and superior ergonomics for quick, precise, and reliable shooting. Its polymer frame incorporates an internal serialized stainless steel chassis, ensuring modularity and durability. The pistol is adaptable to various hand sizes with 3 interchangeable back straps and is designed for enhanced control and shooting speed thanks to the minimal distance between the bore axis and hand grip. The trigger mechanism, known for its clean break and quick reset, includes safety features like a trigger safety lever and a drop safety, along with an automatic striker block safety. Unique to the APX is a striker deactivation button that facilitates safe disassembly without needing to pull the trigger. The nitride finished slide, adorned with wide serrations and dovetailed 3-dot sights, ensure a secure grip and rapid target acquisition in different lighting. The pistol, which can be easily taken down into 5 components, also comes with 2 magazines and features a low bore axis and an integral Picatinny rail for tactical accessories. Number 5. Snw MP9 Shield. The Smith & Wesson M&P Shield semi-auto pistol stands as a premier choice for those seeking a reliable and discreet option for concealed carry. Its striker-fired action eliminates the need for an external hammer, ensuring a snag-free draw from concealment. The pistol boasts a slim 1-inch profile, making it exceptionally concealable under clothing. Crafted with a durable polymer frame and coated stainless steel slide and barrel, the Shield is designed for endurance. Key features include white dot rear and front sights for quick target acquisition, a 2-piece trigger for consistent firing, and a textured grip for enhanced control. The extended magazine not only increases grip surface for a better hold, but also offers additional ammunition capacity. Rounded edges across the pistol's design ensure it remains unobtrusive, embodying the ideal blend of functionality and concealability for everyday carry. Number 4. Taurus GX4. The Taurus GX4 emerges as a standout contender in the realm of pistols, featuring modular chassis systems distinguished by its exceptional fusion of cost-effectiveness and performance. This semi-automatic striker-fired micro 9mm pistol is tailored for concealed carry, boasting a sturdy polymer frame and a detachable fire control unit. It is offered with 11 and 13-round magazines to suit varying needs. Despite its heavier trigger, the GX4 provides a crisp and accurate break, enhancing overall shooting precision. Constructed with a durable alloy steel slide and its stainless steel barrel, both components are treated with diamond-like carbon DLC finish, enhancing both durability and style. The GX4 introduces a Taurus Optics Ready option, TORO, facilitating straightforward attachment of optical sights. It comes with a pre-installed cover plate and an optic mount adhering to RMS-C standards, plus removable pillars to ensure compatibility with a wide range of optics. In the competitive landscape of micro 9mm pistols, the Taurus GX4 shines, delivering an unbeatable mix of functionality, resilience, and adaptability at a value price, making it an ideal choice for those seeking an effective and compact concealed carry firearm. Number 3. IWI Mada. The IWI Mada excels with its robust yet compact design, ideal for concealed carry, home defense, or range practice. With dimensions of 7.4 inches in length, 5.6 inches in height, and a sleek width of 1.3 inches, and tipping the scales at just under 23 ounces empty, it strikes a perfect balance between ease of carry and firing stability. This combination offers both comfort in handling and assurance in shot accuracy, making it versatile for daily use. A standout feature is its superior trigger system, characterized by a brief 0.6-inch trigger travel and a distinct tactile reset, ensuring a uniform, clean trigger action. Such precision and control significantly enhance its shooting accuracy. Additionally, its generous magazine capacity, including two 17-round steel magazines, positions it as a top choice for a range of scenarios. Designed for reliability and simplicity, the Mada caters well to both seasoned enthusiasts and beginners looking for a high-capacity, user-friendly firearm. Number 2. Canik TP9 Elite Subcompact. The Canik TP9 Elite SC distinguishes itself in the concealed carry pistol market with its durable finish that wards off corrosion, ensuring long-term reliability and a consistent striker-fired mechanism. Its ergonomic textured polymer grips secure a firm hold from draw to holster, enhanced by a blackout rear sight and phosphorus white dot front sight for precise targeting. Additionally, the slide includes a provision for an optional micro-optic, though it's sold separately. With two magazines included, this model offers versatility for users. Despite being from a relatively unknown brand, the Canik TP9 Elite SC has built a notable reputation, particularly among compact handgun enthusiasts. It delivers outstanding shooting accuracy, partly due to its 12-round standard magazine, with a 15-round extension preferred by many. Its smooth trigger action, high-quality sights, and comfortable grip, along with reliable performance, drive its increasing popularity. Furthermore, its competitive pricing positions the TP9 Elite SC as an attractive choice for those seeking a high-quality, cost-effective solution in the compact concealed carry segment. Number 1. CZ-P10S. CZ's renowned expertise in producing ergonomically superior and reliable handguns shines brightly with the CZ-P10S, reinforcing their standing in the world of premium firearms. Although it presents a slightly broader profile than the newest slim double stacks, such as the SIG P365 or Glock 43X, the P10S distinguishes itself as a top-tier choice for concealed carry. This compact model expertly marries the ease of concealment with a noteworthy capacity for ammunition, offering a shooting experience that rivals its larger counterparts, the P10C and P10F, while being distinctly more concealment-friendly. Borrowing the superior trigger, sighting options, ergonomic design, and dependable performance from its bigger family members, the P10S introduces a unique addition, a removable slide plate for red dot sights. This slightly broader frame not only ensures a comfortable grip, but also accommodates larger optics, enhancing target acquisition speed. With the P10S, CZ has not only upheld but also elevated its legacy, adding an exceptional entrant to the P10 series that caters to those valuing precision, reliability, and concealability. The best budget pistols merge affordability with reliability, providing accessible self-defense options without sacrificing quality. These firearms prove that cost-effective solutions can still offer dependable performance, precision, and durability. For those seeking a practical and economical choice, these pistols stand as testament to the value found in the balance of price and functionality. However, getting the best budget pistols is quite challenging when you have plenty of models available on the market with a decent design and innovative features. All the products mentioned above are a perfect blend of versatility and innovation, providing the users the best in-class experience. Choose wisely which product suits you the best and will fulfill all your requirements. Let us know in the comments which model works for you the best and why. Thank you for watching the video, and that is all for this one. If you find this video helpful in any way, give a huge thumbs up. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos by subscribing to our channel. See you guys in the next one.